account is debit the receiver and credit the giver. Example, amount paid to ABC Private Limited by check. In this, amount is paid to ABC Private Limited. So ABC Private Limited is the receiver in this transaction. So ABC Private Limited is debited to bank account. Bank account is the person who is going to provide the cash in the form of check. So bank account is credited in this transaction. According to the rules of personal account, debit the receiver and credit the giver. So ABC account is debited to bank account. Second account is real account. Real account usually deals with all tangible and intangible assets of a firm. Example, buildings, machinery, stock, land, etc. The rule for this real account is debit what comes in and credit what goes out. Example for this, purchased machinery. In this, we are purchasing machinery for business use. So machinery account is debited to cash account. Why we are debiting machinery account is according to the rule of real account, debit what comes in and credit what goes out. We are purchasing machinery, so machinery will come in and cash will go out. That is the reason we are debiting machinery account and crediting cash account. And the second entry is sold machinery. In this transaction, we are selling the machinery, and so cash will come in and machinery will go out. So according to the rule of a real account, debit what comes in and credit what goes out. Cash will come when we are going to sell machinery. So cash account is debited to machinery account. Let us see nominal account. So what is nominal account? Nominal account is the account which is related to expenses, losses, incomes or gains related to business. Example, salaries account, interest account, rent account, depreciation account, etc. The rule for nominal account is debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. Example for this, rent paid. So whenever rent is paid, rent account is debited according to the rule of nominal account. So nominal account, rent paid, account debited to cash account. Rent is an expense. That is the reason we are debiting rent account. And since we are paying the cash, cash will go out. That is the reason we are crediting the cash account. The next transaction is rent received. When we are receiving rent, we are receiving the cash. So when cash comes in, it is always debited and to rent account. Here rent account is nominal account, and that is the reason it goes out, and that is the reason we are debiting it to rent account.